Hoi An in my gorgeous, gorgeous hotel room, the Royal Hoi An. I'm so hyped, honestly, because this is my first time getting a complimentary hotel stay collab with a hotel for being like a content creator, and it feels really good. Like, to actually have accomplished that, I'm so excited because it's so beautiful. Like, I'm so grateful. I'm so thankful to be here. Like, the fact that you can even do stuff like this is amazing. But anyway, I'm getting sidetracked. And when I talked to him, he was like, the marketing guy was like, we're gonna give you the best room possible. And they really did. They really ate that, because this balcony that I have with the river views, like, come on, you can't be serious. You can't be serious. Like, wait, I'm getting fogged up. Okay. I mean, my own little balcony. It's so beautiful. And I did tour some of the other property because they have two buildings here. So I toured the other property in the suites, and it's gorgeous. I'll show some of that too. Out of all, usually when I travel, there's usually a couple places or like one place that I'm super excited to see. But this trip is like, I'm the most excited about everything. But Hoi An was the part that I was most excited about, because I really wanted to see the lanterns and the nighttime boat rides, because it just looks so beautiful. And I was right. Like, I haven't gotten to the lanterns yet. I'm doing that tonight. But this little town is so charming. It's so sweet. It's so peaceful. It's like the opposite of Ho Chi Minh City. That was cool too, but this is like so much more laid back. Like, the people ride bikes here. You can walk on the street. They actually obey traffic. It's just beautiful. It's so cute. It's so colorful and vibrant. The people are so sweet. I really wish I booked more days here instead of only 2. That was insane of me. Like, what was I thinking? I should have at least did 3. I would have done 1 less day in Ho Chi Minh and then an extra day here, because it's beautiful. So if you come to Vietnam, plan for extra days in Hoi An, because you're gonna love it. Oh, 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 oh. tomorrow I fly out, so I have to drive back to Da Nang. My flight is at like 9 a.m. Then I'm heading from there to Hanoi, which is my final stop on my Vietnam tour. Well, technically, because I go to Hanoi and then I have Ha Long Bay and then go back to Hanoi from there and then I leave. I've loved it here. This is like moved to the top of my destination bucket list this year after I've seen like videos and I had been completely binging Vietnam content. It's just so beautiful and I had absolutely determined that I was going here this spring. I actually was planning on April originally, but that was just like too close around the corner, so I opted for May, and here I am. I mean, it's supposed to be a little rainy when I get to Hanoi, so I'm kind of wary about them. Knock on wood, we haven't had any bad weather here yet. Knock on wood, but hopefully it holds out for me when I get to Ha Long Bay and everything else, because I got some activities I want to do there. There's a special activity in Hanoi too, or like a little bit outside Hanoi, that I'm really looking forward to. Really looking forward to Ha Long Bay. Like I said, everything here I'm looking forward to. Train Street, everything. So Vietnam, if it's not on your list of places to visit, put it there. It's so beautiful. You will love it. Like I'm not about to go to a cooking class. Also, shout out to the music, saving all my love.
Want to make rice meal by yourself at home? You can use blender. Short rice and water like 4 to 5 hours. Like the shrimp and pork in. Give half for the other pancake in here, not in the oil. In the side first. Then you angle the.
Hey, long one.
Good job. Nice.
I guess we just keep making it. Long one. Yeah. Hold it.
You shake faster. Yay. Oh, my phone is no battery.
That's just... It's fine.
You are stay nearby here?
It's such a pool at night. No one's out here. This place is so pretty. One thing about Vietnam is they have a lot of French architecture, kind of like New Orleans. And I love it. My last night in Hoi An, I'm actually very sad to be leaving. It's so gorgeous up here. Like, look at the sunset. Jesus, like, what is this life? I'm just so grateful for all these
Video.
Uh-huh.